In today's Google Classroom video tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at an amazing feature that Google has set up to help teachers and students, any user for the Google Classroom, have control over their email and mobile notifications. So once you've logged into Google Classroom, at the top left-hand side where you see the Google Classroom title, there's a button to the left, looks like 3 lines. Click on that menu and scroll all the way down to the bottom where you see the Settings button. Click on the Settings button and this window pane will appear. Underneath the profile box, you'll see the box called Notifications for email. So it's really easy as taking the blue toggle button, clicking on it, and it will toggle to the left, turning the email notifications off for all of the Google Classroom. So that's really nice. It frees up emails coming through to you every time there's a post in Google Classroom. If you would like to, however, control which kinds of notifications by email you want to receive, then you can keep that toggle button on by clicking to the right. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see that there are other types of notifications. So for example, if you would like to not receive comments that mention you from Google Classrooms, then you can turn that toggle button to the left and turn that off, while the other options for notifications will remain on. So you just have to read through and see which ones you would like to keep on and which ones you would like to keep off. So that's a really nice item. Then if you scroll down, the last box at the bottom is called Class Notifications, and if you click on the arrow button to the right, you'll see there that all of the Google Classrooms that you participate in will appear. And in this section, you can actually turn off or on email and mobile notifications for each individual class. So for example, if there's 4 classes that you're teaching and then others that you're participating in, but you don't need to see the frequency of emails and mobile notifications, then you can turn them off one at a time. So it's a really nice way to really personalize and individualize the type of notifications that you're going to receive, done from a laptop or PC desktop. So from the mobile device, it's exactly the same as from the desktop. Next to the title at the top to the left, there is the 3 lines. You're going to click on that and scroll all the way down the bottom through the classrooms until you get to Settings again. When you open the Settings menu, you're going to go down to Notifications and you're going to click the arrow to the right to take you to the Notifications section. You'll see here that email notifications at the top are toggled off as we left it from the desktop. And you do have the option, which is the second one down, for class notifications, to turn email and mobile notifications on or off by pushing on the arrow to the right, and it will take you to this screen where you can do it on a per class basis. So we'll click back. And if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see their device notifications are currently enabled. So that means that anytime there's a comment post or anything to the Google Classroom, it's going to come as a screen notification at the front of your phone on the lock mode. So as you scroll down through this screen, you can see that again, you're able to select specific types of notifications and really personalize that for what you need. So you would select whichever one you want to keep on and whichever one you want to turn off by clicking on it, and it will toggle to the left. So it's a great way for Google Classroom to be able to personalize your experience both on the desktop as well as on the mobile device.